Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the last question of the set, question number 4 of set theory maxima and minima question. Let's quickly solve it. Question says the number of girls who used mobile of brand A is double the number of girls who used mobile of brand C, then the maximum number of girls who used mobile of brand B. Let's make a basic Venn diagram. The number of girls liking brand A, the number of girls liking brand B, and the number of girls liking brand C. A, B and C. See that this value is given to you as 15 here, right? You can just read the instruction. The number of girls who are liking all three brands are 15. The number of girls who are liking only brand B and brand C is 20. The number of girls who are liking only brand A and brand C is 15. This total value x plus y plus z is given as 170. X plus y plus z is given to you as 170. So this value, you see that total union of set is 150. If union of set is 250, the number of girls liking at least brand A or brand B or brand C is 250, x plus y plus z is 170. And so if I subtract 170 from 250, I'll be left the value of 80. So this total is 80, right? So 280 minus 50 would be 30. So this value will be equal to 30. Now, the number of girls who use mobile of brand A. So you see that this is a complete circle of number of girls using only brand A. And what is this value? This value is x plus y plus 30. This value is x plus y plus 30. It is double the number of girls who use mobile of brand C. This is the number of girls who use brand C and that value is 80. See, this value is 2 times of 80. This is given in the question, right? So x plus y plus 30 will be equal to 160. So x plus y will be equal to 130. Now if you put x plus y as 130 here, right, the value of z will come out to be 40. So z is fixed, z is having a unique value, z is 40. I'm supposed to find out the maximum. I need to maximize the number of girls who use mobile of brand B. The number of girls who use the brand B is y plus z plus 20. Is y plus z plus 20. I need to maximize this value. I need to maximize this value, right? And I cannot maximize, it is y plus z plus 35. Number of girls who use brand B is y plus z plus 35, not 20. So this value is 35, right? This value is 35. So I need to maximize it. Let's put the value of z as 40. So you see that this become y plus 40 plus 35, that is 75, right? Now, if I want to find out the maximum possible value of this bracket, you see that this bracket is dependent on the variable y now. This will get maximized when y will get maximized. So therefore, if I want to maximize the value, I need to maximize the value of y. And y, you see that we have one equation in terms of x and y, and that value is x plus y is equal to 130. X plus y is 130. I want to maximize y. If I want to maximize y, I need to minimize x. I need to minimize this value. And what's the minimum possible value of x? The condition given here is that the value of the number of girls who are liking only brand A or the brand B, number of girls liking only brand A and only brand B should be less than 75, right? So x need to be less than 75. It should be greater than what value? It's not given. And z should also be less than 75. Z has already been taken as less than 75. That value is unique. We cannot change that. X need to be less than 75. So tell me, if I have to put a value less than 75, what is the minimum possible value? It can be 0, right? So if I put x as 0, the maximum possible value of y will be 130. And if I use this maximum possible value of y here, I'll get my maximum answer. 130 plus 75. So the answer will be 205. The maximum number of girls who used mobile of brand B will be 205. This will be the answer of the question. This type of question has been asked in the previous year paper of CAT in 2005 and in one of the set in 2018 in evening slot. So you should know how to solve this question of maxima and minima. If some information given in the question to make your equation, make a standard make a standard Venn diagram, use the information here, right? Try to see the try to make your Venn diagram in as many less variable as possible. जितने कम variable use हो सकते हैं उतने कम variable use करो and see what are the values which are dependent, what are independent values, what are the unique values. I guess equation based maxima minima is easy to solve. And the other methods of maxima and minima questions from Venn diagram have been solved in the previous videos. All the set theory class links, video links will be given in the description part of the video. You can access all these videos. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. And if you are willing to attend my live session on Unacademy Plus, LRDS SAMI is my referral code. Using this code, you'll get 10% off on Unacademy Plus purchase, and you will be able to attend all of my live sessions on Unacademy. I'm bringing some very important courses for CAT 2021 batch, as well as CAT 2020. There are some crash courses running on Unacademy Plus, right, in the last 20 days. So you can join all of my classes, and you will be able to watch all my previous recording also if you subscribe to Unacademy Plus. The complete syllabus is covered there, right? So use this referral for Unacademy Plus subscription. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with all of your friends.